Why does a match light when you strike it? Seems obvious. Friction creates heat, heat ignites chemicals, and voila, fire. But causation, the idea that one event leads to another, is one of the most debated concepts in science and philosophy. Causation isn't just about lighting matches. From curing diseases to exploring black holes, understanding what causes what shapes everything we know. But here's the catch. Philosophers and scientists still argue over what causation is. David Hume, a towering figure in philosophy, argued we never directly observe causation. Instead, we see patterns. When you strike a match, it lights. But how do we know striking caused the fire? Hume called this constant conjunction, events always occurring together, but questioned if there's a necessary connection. He even doubted we could assume the future will resemble the past. 3 types of causation. 1. Causal mechanisms. This explains the how. Striking a match generates heat, igniting chemicals on the match head. Mechanisms help us understand why things happen. 2. Probabilistic causation. Not all causes guarantee effects. Smoking increases the likelihood of lung cancer but doesn't cause it every time. This type of causation is vital in fields like medicine. 3. Counterfactual causation. What if the cause didn't happen? If removing one event changes another, it's a cause. For example, without exposure to a toxin, a person wouldn't develop the illness. Counterfactuals help test what-if scenarios. Causation is central to scientific practice, but often complex. Medicine. Randomized controlled trials isolate causation. Does a drug improve outcomes, or are other factors at play? Quantum mechanics. Traditional causation breaks down. Entangled particles affect each other instantly across distances, and randomness challenges cause and effect assumptions. Ice cream sales and drowning incidents both rise in summer, but neither causes the other. Hidden factors, like hot weather, often link correlated events. Controlled experiments and careful observation help separate correlation from causation. Causation has its challenges. Effects may have multiple causes, or none we can identify. And as Hume warned, our belief in causation rests on experience, not certainty. Understanding causation isn't just philosophical, it drives progress. It helps scientists cure diseases, policymakers solve problems, and all of us make better decisions.